Hi children, I am telling a story about a rose and cactus. In a garden, there are a lot of roses, rose plants and roses are coming. Okay, out of the plants, rose plants. And there is a cactus plants also there. Everyone is coming and plucking rose flowers, but not touching cactus flowers, because they have thorns. Even rose also has thorns, but rose flowers are beautiful. So everyone will come and pluck the rose flowers, but not cactus flowers. Every day rose flower is telling cactus, you are not beautiful. Cactus, you are not beautiful. Then cactus is feeling what to do. I am not beautiful. So what's there in beauty? I am okay. I am healthy. I am growing myself, right? I am okay. I am not beautiful. I am okay the way I am. Okay. So cactus said to himself, right? And in some time, what happened, there is a drought, means there is no rains, there is no water to put for the plants. So what the gardener is doing is not giving any water to the plants. Okay, if water is not there, what will happen to the plants? Fade away, wilt away. Okay, flowers will not come. Okay, plant also will dry down, right? Rose plant is drying every day. The leaves are drying and the flowers also not many coming up, and they are also drying. So, but the cactus, cactus always stores the water in its stems and branches. So that way cactus has the water, right? So it is not changed much. With the drought, there is no water, doesn't matter to the cactus. It can manage because it has got a thick stem and thick root. So it stores the water. When the water is there, it stores. So when the water is, it retains the water. So water will be there inside. If there is no water, no problem. It can catch the moisture from the air and it can keep itself well. But rose do not know that. Okay, now rose is crying, no water, what should I do? Then cactus is laughing. Okay, rose is still crying. Day by day it is drying out. It's drying. Okay, then one day there are honeybees in that area. The honeybees used to go to the rose flower to take honey from the flowers, right? Now the rose flowers are drying. Now the rose flowers are drying, so there is no honey in that. Okay, now the same honeybee is going to the cactus flower. Cactus also will have beautiful flower, small flower of all colors, yellow, pink, red. They are beautiful. Okay, and this honeybee is going to the cactus flower and catching the honey because it has honey, right? Cactus plant has got the water in that stem. It has stored. Okay, and it doesn't matter whether it's a drought outside or not to the cactus plant. Okay?
What? That means what?
That means cactus is very strong in any weather. Okay, it doesn't change. No, rose plant said sorry to the cactus plant. Sorry cactus plant, I don't know your strength. You have a strength. When there is no water, I cannot survive. But you can survive. That's the great. See cactus plant, if there is no water, I cannot survive. But you can survive. Right? So, that's the greatness of you. I never realized. Right? I'm very sorry, but what can I do now? There is no water, no flowers, no one is coming to me. I don't know what will happen if I don't have water for next few days. Right? If the water comes, if it rains, then I'll get the water and I'll give the flowers again. People may come to me, but I will never call you out as ugly, not good, not beautiful. I'm very sorry. I realize it now. You are also great. Okay? As I am. Okay? We both are great. Right? So, this is the story about the rose and cactus plant. So, children, you know, no one is great, no one is low. All are equal. Right?
All are good.
All are good, all are equal.
Yeah.
Thank you, children.